Greetings everyone, this is Danny from harrtravel.com, your luxury all-inclusive experts, and today I'm at the beautiful Dreams Vista Cancun Golf and Spa Resort. Now this particular room category is the corner suite. It's a preferred club room. That means you're gonna get all the preferred club amenities. Talk a little bit more about that as we go through the room. But what this is all about is the unbelievable views. Really insane views out to the ocean, and it actually is gonna give a perfect sunrise view as well. But let me show you what the room's all about. Right when you walk in the door here, you have your storage. So you've got shelves up and down. You also have your hair dryer and the steamer. You're gonna have the scale down below and a safe. Over here, you're gonna have your hanging storage, golf umbrella, and slippers, but I just wanted to point these out. These are really nice. These are the robes that they have here, and they've got a hood on them, they've got fleece. It's kind of like wearing a really comfortable hoodie. It's a really nice touch that I appreciate. So now we're headed into the bathroom. You've got a really large double vanity here. You've got a little stool that pulls out, a magnifying makeup mirror, of course, the large mirror in front of me. And I wanted to point out this amenity kit. Because this is a preferred club room, you get this upgraded amenity with several extra full-size amenities in there. You've got your toilet right here to my left, and then right in here you have this really massive shower. You've got a huge rainforest shower head up above. You've got your shower wand and then another upgraded amenity kit over here. And then you've got your stool where you can sit and soak under that amazing rainforest shower head. Now from here you also get unbelievable views directly out to the ocean. One of the signatures here of the resort. So just behind the bathroom here, you're gonna have a nice writing desk over in the corner. You've got this great tote. You do get to keep that as a nice little gift for being a preferred club guest. You've got a little art, and then over here you've got storage. Your mini fridge is underneath. It's fully stocked. You can have that replenished as often as you like during your stay. You also have your Nespresso maker and the Nespresso pods. They'll upgrade or update those as often as you like as well. And then of course, a little bit of extra snacks. Now you can see that they have the full king size bed, of course, facing out at that incredible view. On the bedside, you've got 2 US plugs and 2 USB plugs. All of the different switches are here, including the dimmers. Really nice to have that right next to the bed. You've got your remote and phone and a little bit of storage underneath. Now continuing on to the other side, I did want to point out that they do have twice daily service here. So you're going to have the maid service every day, and then you're also going to have a turn down service. They'll put your slippers by the bed, of course, and gotta have that nice little chocolate, always my favorite. Right over here, you've got 2 US plugs, 2 USB plugs, and I also wanted to point out this tablet. It's a really great feature that they have here, where essentially you can find all the information out that you need to know about the hotel, about dining, maybe the menus or the spa. You can also order room service from here, a really nice perk. I love that you can just order it right there, don't have to worry about it. They'll deliver it right to the room. And in addition to that, you can even order from the pillow menu because you're in Preferred Club. Continuing on, you have your large flat panel TV. This is a smart TV, and it can actually pull out there and turn so that it doesn't obstruct your incredible view from the bed, but you can watch it from the bed. You've got your chair here, a couch here, so this can actually pull out into a double bed, just like every single couch on the property. You also have a coffee table, perfect place for a cup of coffee, maybe some of your morning room service. But I'll tell you, that's not where I'm gonna be having my room service. I'm having every single meal I can out here on this incredible balcony. So before we head out to the balcony, I wanted to point out this great feature, these huge pocket doors. So they push all the way in there, and follow me, you can head over to the other side as well. They open up here, and push that in. All the way back, and as you can see, you have this massive 180-degree wraparound. In addition to the incredible ocean views, you also have great golf course views. There's a luxury residential development with canals all around, and then you've got the marina with shopping far in the distance there. But what this is all about is this unbelievable ocean view. I think I can see 4 or 5 different hues of blue out there. You've got this great table, 2 chairs where you can sit and have that morning coffee, that evening sundown cocktail. This is that specific sunrise view when you're looking directly out there. You're really gonna appreciate that. You also have a nice lounge area. You've got another coffee table and 2 large chairs here. But whether you open this up and have the breeze blow through, you close it down and have that nice, cool view. Either way, this is a spectacular option. Now at this particular resort, the preferred club amenities are really exponential. I'll start up at the very top. You have an incredible infinity pool that's right on the edge of the rooftop that only preferred club guests have access to. And then the whole rooftop is essentially shut off to preferred club guests only until the evening. So you can access the bar and have lunch at the Blue Water Grill. In addition to those huge amenities, when you arrive, they're going to take you just past the check-in all the way straight to the Preferred Club Lounge. You'll check in privately there. There's a bar in there. They always have snacks and breakfast in there as well. They've got a fantastic balcony, so you get that in addition to other upgrades and amenities throughout your entire stay. One great thing about this particular suite is it only comes in that variety, so you're going to get to enjoy all of those. So when you're ready to book this incredible corner suite or any Dreams or Secrets property, reach out to Harr Travel. We have a phenomenal relationship with AM Resorts. We know the properties inside and out, and we know that we can help create the vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, and your family at an incredible value.